Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Slater Code, and today we will be going to learn about Flexbox. So let's get into it, and let me just open my cheat code. Okay, so here is everything about Flexbox, and I will pin this PDF in what we say description area. You can download it and explore whenever you want. So first of all, what is Flexbox? So Flexbox is nothing but if you want your division, your container or your section to be flexible with your browser screen, then we will use display flex. And what does it means by flex? So Flexbox is always used in the parent container or parent element, which is pink box right here and right here, and it's always start from the left to right, and on a y-axis it will start from the top to bottom. Now how can you use? So simply display property to flex to the container or parent element, which is pink right here. Okay, now what it will be do, what this property will do, that by default the container the child element of this container will be like image 1, image 2 and image 3. It means in column wise, but as we use flex it will be like 1 2 3 4 5 6 in a stack in a single line. So if we want our child element to be in a single line, we will use display as a flex. Okay, now next is the direction. How you want your child element to be in a, if you want in a row wise, then you don't have to write the flex direction, because by default flex direction will be row wise. If you want it in a column wise, then we will use a column flex direction to be column, and the output of this will be like 1 2 3 and 4, and it always start from the top of the container parent container, and the uh, flex direction row is always start from the left of the parent container. Okay, so it's like 1 2 3 and 4. Now if we use row reverse, then it will use a story. Yes, then the child containers will be start from the end of the container and 1 2 3 4 in reverse format. And if we use column reverse, then it will start from the bottom of the parent container and in a reverse direction 1 2 3 4, just like that. Okay, now if we go ahead, then we will have justify content property, justify property. Now where we want our child elements position, where we want to start it. If we want to start from the left, then we don't have to write anything, because by default it will be like justify content flex start or start. If we want if we want our child elements start from the end, then we will use flex end to the parent container, everything to be parent container, right? If we want everything to be center, then we will use center. If we want space between, now what is space between? Space between is like everything, it will be occupy whole parent container, the space of whole parent, and leave space in between in each child container, and space around means it will leave equal amount of space to its left and right element. Left and right space will be equal to its child element. This is space around and this is space between. Every space in between and space around, left and right, left and right, left and right. Okay, Now, uh, flex wrap. Now, this is the most important property when we want our division or our web page to be flexible, or we can say we want our web page to be responsive. Now, if we want our child element to be stay in a one line only, if we don't want to compromise it in a next line, or we don't want to wrap our child element in another line, then we don't have to write flex wrap, because by default flex wrap property will be no wrap. And if we want to wrap our child element in another line, then we can use flex wrap, just like right 1 2 3. If we use flex wrap reverse, then it will start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 in reverse format. Okay. Now, next condition is align items. Yeah. Now, align items is why align items in a column wise direction, right? Now, if we use stretch, then it will occupy whole height of the parent container. Now, if we want flex start, it will start from the top of the container, align items and bottom of the container, align item center of the parent container, and align item baseline means the child elements of every child container will be aligned equally, and the other area will be uh, occupy its space according to their child elements. Okay. Now, yeah, align content. Now, align content means every container or every child element, it will target equally. If we stretch, then all the uh, content a child container will take equal amount of area and stretch its height width according to the parent container. If flex start means the height and width of the container will be same as the child container. It won't stretch to its parent container, and it start from the top of the container bottom, I mean flex end, it start from the bottom. Align contain center, everything to be center, space between, as we say, it will leave space between its child container, space around, it will leave space to the top and bottom of its child container. Okay. Now, yeah, order. Now, order is also another most important. Now, order items grow and flex stretch. These are the property, flex string. These are the property that is not used in a parent element, but it. These properties is particularly if we want to target particular one child container. And order means if we want our third element to be displayed as a 1, or our first container we want to display at the last, so we will use order property to child 1 and give it to order as 3, means it will show in a third direction or third position. Flex grow and flex shrink. Now, align items, same. Align items is flex align self is also flex align property is also an item that will be used in a child elements. Okay, not in a parent container. So flex under here we have targeted orange container to align self, to align start, means it will be start from the parent container, bottom of the parent container, everything else is stretch, center, baseline, and yeah, that's it. So this was everything about Flexbox. And if you want uh, to explore more about the Flexbox, here is another link that I will also pin down in a description area. So here is the flex. Now let's go to flex direction. So this is flex direction 1 2 3 4. If we want row reverse, then it will start from the end as I told earlier and start from 1 2 3 and 4. Yeah, that's it. If we want column, then 1 2 3 4 like this. And if we want column reverse, it start from the bottom and in a reverse format like 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, another is flex wrap. If we want to wrap our child element to the next line, if it reaches its minimum or maximum height, or sorry, width. If you want no wrap, then it's by default 1 2 3 4. If we want wrap, like 1 2 3 4. If this parent container's width uh, is like this, is to here only, then the output will be like 1 2 3 4 because it reaches its maximum width of the child container. And if we want to wrap reverse, then 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, just like that. Okay, and if we go further, flex flow. Now this is another property that is not in the PDF, but flex flow is nothing but just the combination of flex direction and flex wrap, as you see here: row and row wrap, column reverse, column wrap, row reverse, wrap reverse. Okay, now order. Here is the example that child 3 we have given position to -1, so it will be so first, right? If we give it to 2, then it will be like 1 and 2, right? Yeah, justify content. Now if you want justify content everything to be start, justify content flex end means it will start from the end but in same direction, not in reverse. 1 2 3 4. Center, everything to be center but no space in between. Space between means it will occupy whole space but it leaves space between its child containers, like this. If we want space around, it will, what it will do, that the child element will leave equal amount of space to it left and right, just like this: left right, left right, left right. But space evenly will do will leave equal amount of space between its child containers, no left to right, equal amount: 1 2 3 4 5. Now align items and align self is nothing but just column wise direction. Stretch means everything to be stretched to its parent container. Flex start, everything to be top. Flex end, everything bottom, everything to center. Baseline means it refers to the highest child element. And auto is like it will automatically take the height of its parent container. Align self, if we want to target just one particular child at the same time. Auto, stretch, flex start, these two containers are targeted. Flex end, center, and baseline. Now align content, if you want to target all content all together, right? So flex grow, flex rank, and flex basis. So these three conditions, let's just try with one example. So I guess, yeah, this is the example of flex grow. Let me just first one and start. So everything, every child container takes equal amount of space, occupies equal amount of space. Now if I want to target this second container and I want to grow it to 2, then what it will do, that it will occupy the space of two containers, like 1 2 3 4 5, but actually there is 6. These occupy two columns, like 1 and 2. Okay, if we want 3, then it will occupy 3 space of the container, 1, 2 and 3. The flex screen, flex shrink is alternate, all I mean almost opposite to flex grow. It will reduce the space to half, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, but I shrink it to 3, so it will drop down to 3 to this position, like 1, 2 and 3, and third position of this will be here. And flex basis means if we want to give particular width or same particular width to our targeted child containers, we can give pixels or percentage or auto. Okay. Okay, so that was everything about the Flexbox. So if you like the video, please like and share, subscribe, or if you have any doubt or any queries, please comment down and I will reach out to you as soon as possible. Till then, see you in the next video. Till then, just slay your Flexbox CSS as your own. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. See you next video. Bye.